Good morning, y'all. I want to show you something we've been working on for the last month. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
We're out here on what used to be the job site. We're finishing up today, and tomorrow there'll be campers out here. But a month ago, these sites didn't even look like this one. This is one that hasn't been completed yet. It's about halfway maybe. But we were out here working on this place and driving vehicles that are meant for off-road like this and getting stuck out here where we just drove through. But now it's beautiful. These are some of the largest RV sites I've ever seen. These are awesome. They got 50 amp and 30 amp power. They got sewer connections, so they're 100% full hookup. Really good water pressure. They're gonna have these beautiful fire pits. They're all gonna have new picnic tables in here. Just an incredible place. I mean, look at this site. This is typical of the sites. Look at this one here in front of me. This one is a pull-through site. Look at that. You could land an airplane on that thing. 747 probably. Absolutely amazing. They've taken great care here with their trees. We've planted probably 400 trees or better. I don't know the exact number, but it's a lot. With some of these beautiful hardwoods mixed in with a lot of cedars. Got some little cedars over here. Good bit bigger cedars. So look, here's a good example of one of the really beautiful hardwoods that they've planted. Look at the leaves on that. I'm not sure how many different varieties of hardwoods they have that they've brought in new, but they really try and disperse them out and have a good variety of colors and variety of tree species. Really cool. They also have the ability to transplant fully mature trees with a big spade unit that they have. Like this one behind me here over my shoulder, you can see this is a beautiful birch, a nice mature birch, super tall. So here's a good example of a site that's nearly completed. And with their ability to transplant fully grown trees, it doesn't look like you're just parking at a nursery somewhere. You can see this site here already has the grass growing in, brand new picnic tables, and plenty of space to park an extra vehicle, plenty of space for your big rigs. You got your water hookups back here. You've got your sewer hookups there protected by a rock. And right here, You've got 30 and 50 amp hookups here. They build these water catch areas that helps to dry your site, but also helps keep the water from just running off and eroding out into the Great Lakes. At the same time, it's watering all the trees that they put in here. So this is a beautiful seating area that the on-site carpenters have built. They built this awesome deck, all these benches, the chairs. They do amazing work here at Mill Creek Camping. These are folks that, for the most part, live on site. A few of us tested this area out last night, and it was an amazing time sitting out here and just having a little bit of pizza and relaxing in this awesome environment. It's like 75 degrees, sunny. Look at these blue skies. This is incredible. I think later today we'll be finishing up some of these areas like this, getting them raked out, getting them seated like this here. They'll bring in some machines and some rakes, and we'll get out here and we'll make this look real nice. And tomorrow, open this place up. Open it up to the customers. It's going to be amazing. Can't believe that just a month ago we got here and we're getting stuck in the sand and everything else out here, and it didn't look anything like this. I wish I had taken some before video, but it was just raw dirt. And now there's trees, and there's gonna be wildflowers in here and new grass and amazing sites with the 30 and 50 amp power. Just, I mean, what more could you ask for? You're not going to find sites like this in most RV parks. So these are going to be really awesome. Can't wait to see the customers in here. See if we can't get a little video of that tomorrow. I got to hustle up and get to work, get this thing ready for the customers, and we'll catch up with you later.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and it always helps us out if you subscribe. Have a great day.